Hey, it's Don with LiquidSpring, and whether you're in an RV, an adventure truck, ambulance, shuttle bus, it doesn't matter. LiquidSpring is transforming how you experience the road, and it all starts right here at our factory in Lafayette, Indiana. LiquidSpring is a smart suspension system that adapts in real time using our patented compressible fluid technology. But this isn't just a strut replacement. We're upgrading your entire suspension to give you a smoother, safer, more comfortable ride. And it's all engineered, manufactured, and tested under one roof. We're proud to build every LiquidSpring system right here in the US, combining advanced engineering with hands-on craftsmanship. From design to durability testing, every system goes through rigorous checks before it's ready for the road. If you're looking for a ride that adapts to you, look no further than LiquidSpring. Built smarter, built stronger, and built right here in America. Check us out at liquidspring.com.